Hey, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this on Facebook. And if you'll notice, I've already brought in the yellow box. We're going to help Corel out a little bit. We're going to crop this. We've got it selected, so it's not going to get rid of my other two I've already done. So if you grab you've got to select the item that you're fixing to crop, and the other ones won't disappear. And we're going to make this a little bit smaller, just making sure we have all the vine in there and go crop. See how much smaller the yellow box is? We're going to go to make sure it's selected. Go to bitmap. Let's resample it. It's already 300 dots per inch. It's good. You want at least 3. Go to convert to bitmap. This time we're going to convert to black and white. It's already done. Go to bitmap, outline trace, clip art, and it's going to take just a second. It's already done. There's 2 colors, which we know is the white and the black. We've got it selected. We're going to go to range, group, and ungroup. We're going to grab the white and we're going to hit delete. Now we just want the vine, so we're going to move the vine out of the way and we're going to delete the text because I'm pretty sure he's going to have to type it in for whoever he's doing it for. Now, here's the fun part. If you have X8 and above, you have the smoothing tool, and I love it. I'm going to show you both ways to do it. I've turned down my intensity like to 16 so it won't go so fast, so you can stay on it longer. And I would just grab the leaves and see how they're taking away the jagged edges. Let's zoom in on this leaf. Look at the jagged edges and take the smooth tool and click on it and just lightly go over it. The smoothing tool is great. Now, like on this one particular right here, the leaf is kind of built into the vine. Then I would go back to my shape tool and I would move this right here and maybe turn this into a cusp. I clicked on the node or I right clicked on the node. So it makes it like that. Now, see how many nodes there are? A lot of them need to be reduced. So if you do not have the smoothing tool, let's look at this. Look at the smoothing tool. Look how fast that was. Now let's back up, but you can still do it with the shape tool. You just have to delete nodes. Select them and delete them. And as long as you don't change the shape of the vine, like I've changed the shape of it, so we're going to move this in a little bit and just kind of move our handles. I would take away, well, I grab the node. I would take away these 3 nodes, maybe take away these, maybe take away that. Now right here you got a little bit of a problem, but it's no big deal. With the shape tool, just move this one out. I'd actually delete it, maybe delete that. Looks much better. Delete these nodes. This leaf is kind of funky looking. I would maybe bring it in here and bring this one out. Now if you right click on a node, it's already a cusp. Let's find one that's not. Well, they're already cusp, and what that means is you change one handle and the other handle doesn't change, so you can do a lot with it. I work with using cusp quite a bit, but it wouldn't take very long to do the whole vine. But if you can see, I did this one in like less than a minute with the smoothing tool, and that would engrave, and then you could put whatever initials you wanted in the center like they had it before. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.